A single AI tool just helps someone write a 300-page novel in 3 hours. And it's completely free. Most people have no idea these tools exist. You're about to discover 10 hidden AI gems that could save you 20 hours every week. Number 10 will automate your emails. Number 9 creates stunning art in seconds. 8 transcribes any audio perfectly. 7 builds websites without coding. 6 generates professional videos instantly. 5 writes any document you need. 4 creates perfect presentations. 3 designs logos like a pro. 2 predicts your future perfectly. And number 1. It's so powerful, companies pay millions for similar tech. But you get it free. Let's dive in. Number 10. Boomerang AI. This tool writes your emails before you even think of them. It learned from over 50 million email conversations. The crazy part? It increases response rates by 47%. Just tell it what you want to say. It handles tone, timing, and follow-ups automatically. Your inbox becomes your assistant, not your enemy. Number 9. Craiyon. Remember when creating art took years of training? This AI generates any image you imagine in 30 seconds. Type pizza-eating dinosaur in space. Boom, you've got professional artwork. It processes over 10 million image requests daily. That's more than Instagram uploads per hour. Your creativity just became limitless. Number 8. Otter AI. Ever sat through a boring meeting taking notes? This transcribes speech with 95% accuracy. It identifies different speakers automatically. The shocking bit? It works in real time across 40 languages. Students use it to transcribe entire lectures. Business people never miss important details again. Your ears just got superhuman powers. Number 7. Framer AI. Building websites used to require months of coding knowledge. This creates professional sites in under 5 minutes. Just describe your business in plain English. It generates layouts, content, and functionality instantly. Over 2 million websites built already. That's like creating a new digital city every month. Your ideas become reality immediately. Number 6. Synthesia. Creating professional videos typically costs thousands of dollars. This generates spokesperson videos using just text input. Pick an avatar, type your script, done. The mind-blowing fact. It speaks over 100 languages fluently. Fortune 500 companies use this for training videos. You just became a film director without cameras. Number 5. Notion AI. Writing reports, proposals, and documents takes forever normally. This understands context and writes like your personal ghostwriter. It adapts to your writing style automatically. Here's the crazy stat: users complete writing tasks 70% faster. Students write essays in minutes, not hours. Your words just became weaponized for productivity. Number 4. Gamma. Making presentations usually means hours of formatting nightmares. This creates stunning slide decks from simple prompts. Just tell it your topic and audience. The AI handles design, content, and flow perfectly. Users report saving 8 hours per presentation on average. That's an entire workday back in your pocket. Your ideas never looked so professional. Number 3. Looka. Professional logo design costs hundreds of dollars minimum. This creates brand identities in under 2 minutes. Answer 5 simple questions about your business style. It generates dozens of logo options instantly. The shocking truth: over 5 million logos created already. That's more brands than exist in most countries. Your business just got $1 million look. Number 2. Crystal. Ever wish you could predict how people think? This AI analyzes personality types from social media profiles. It tells you exactly how to communicate effectively. The incredible stat: it improves communication success by 68%. Sales teams use it to close more deals. Dating apps integrate it for better matches. You just unlocked mind-reading superpowers for relationships and business. And now, the number 1 AI tool that will blow your mind completely. Before I reveal it, hit that subscribe button. This channel drops daily AI discoveries that change everything. You don't want to miss tomorrow's secret. Number 1. Perplexity AI. This isn't just another search engine replacement. It's like having a research team of PhD students working 24/7. Ask any question, get sourced answers with citations instantly. The mind-melting fact: it processes information from the entire internet in real time. While Google shows you links, Perplexity gives you answers. Students complete research projects in minutes instead of weeks. Business analysts get market insights instantly. Writers fact-check everything automatically. It's like ChatGPT, and Google had a genius baby. The scary part: most people still don't know it exists. You're now part of the 1% who do. These 10 tools just gave you superpowers most people don't have. Boomerang writes your emails perfectly. Craiyon creates any artwork imaginable. Otter transcribes everything you hear. Framer builds professional websites instantly. Synthesia generates spokesperson videos automatically. Notion writes documents faster than humanly possible. Gamma creates presentations that wow audiences. Looka designs logos like expensive agencies. Crystal reads personalities for better communication. Perplexity answers any question with PhD-level research. You literally just saved hundreds of hours monthly. And thousands of dollars in professional services. Here's what happens next. Subscribe right now for daily AI tool discoveries. Hit that notification bell so you never miss updates. Tomorrow I'm revealing the AI that predicts stock markets. With 87% accuracy over 5 years. You definitely don't want to miss that one. Share this video with someone who needs these tools. Comment which tool you're trying first. The AI revolution is happening whether you join or not. These tools ensure you're on the winning side. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.